Assalamu alaikum class. Our topic of discussion is the order Ambioptera of the entomology. Ambioidae, Ambidina, Ambida, and common names of the insects included in the Ambioptera are the web spinners, ambids, foot spinners. Their size, they are large, they are moderate in size, and some insects are also small. They live gregariously in the silk tunnels. They form silk tunnels in which they feed, and they have filiform antennae. Filiform antennae don't have equal size of segments. Compound eyes are present in these insects. Their mouth parts are mandibulate, but they lack ocelli. It means simple eye are absent in them. They have well-developed compound eyes. All males of all species have thickened radial veins. Wings of insect have various veins, whether they are costa, subcosta, and radial vein is one of the vein of wings. Males have thick radial veins. Females are aterous. It means the female don't have wings. Tarsi are the three-segmented basal segment of the four tarsus greatly increase. Tarsi is the second last segment of the leg. Circi, these are the sensory structures which are present on the last abdominal segment. They are usually asymmetrical in males. These insects are confined to the tropical and subtropical areas of the world, although some are found in the oceanic islands. So less than 200 species are found, 13 species from North America and 65 from the Australia. They fly only weakly or not at all. Head is procanthus, it means their mouth parts are projecting forward. Gut is straight and contain 20 to 30 Malpighian tubules open into it. The nervous system consists of a ventral nerve cord which is paired and 20 to 30 Malpighian tubules open. There is a mistake. Malpighian tubules never open into the ventral nerve cord. Ventral nerve cord is paired and include the 3 thoracic and 7 abdominal ganglia. No caste system is present, no division of labor. It means here no caste system or division of labor, just like the honeybee and other social insects in which all these caste systems and division of labor are present. In human area, its nest may be completely exposed, but in the drier parts it is mostly subterranean for the purpose of protection from the fire and the desiccation. These insects are phytophagous. They feed on the plant matter, algae, fungi, etc. Nets are constructed in the immediate vicinity of the food. This is visible for the insect to construct their nest and then to provide food to their larvae, young ones, to get food by themselves. This is definitely food in the near vicinity is a good thing for the development and for spreading the colony. Egg laid in the tunnel, and this tunnel is guarded by the female. Here is no role of male for protection of eggs. Parthenogenesis is common in some species. Parthenogenesis is the formation of new organism without the fertilization of the eggs. It means all are females, however in some cases all are males too. In some species, new colonies formed in the near vicinity of the older ones. This is the completion of this order. Thank you, class.